Hello everybody, this is MaxCaf, Mobile American Cross Country for Adventures and Freedom. I'm Derek Bentley. Today we are going to go do some tent camping just north of Yuma. As you're leaving Yuma to go to Quartzsite, there is a VFW post, Veterans of Foreign War. They got a big old tank outside of it. We're going to head to that area and camp there tonight. I've been away from the tent camping game for a little while. It's been like 3 months. I think the last time I did it was the Crystal Hill in Quartzsite. So we're gonna go out there and refamiliarize ourselves with truck tent camping, and hopefully I can make it back here tomorrow morning to take care of some more business. So the truck is already preloaded. I've got to pick up some stuff from the store, so we're going to do that, and then get out to the VFW post and see if we can't find a little plot of land that we can call home for the night. It looks like you see part of it. All right, we are at the BLM land next to the VFW post. It's right over there. Doesn't look like they're open, so I was hoping to have a beer, but I brought one. We're gonna have a hamburger tonight. I've got all the fixins. So let me get the tent pulled out and go from there. Wow, it has been about 3 months since I've done this. Hopefully everything's good. It should be. It's been a while since I've done this. That was pretty cool watching the train go by. So I got this tent in Phoenix. See, that was like 6 months ago, maybe a little bit longer. Anyway, I went to a couple of different places for that sold truck gear, and I saw this on the floor, and I was like, okay, that's right, that's pretty good. The price tag on it was like $350 or $4,000. I don't remember exactly. But this guy, the salesperson there, gave me a ridiculous deal on this. Yeah. This to me is the freedom that I've always wanted. Now we gotta get my subscriber count up so that YouTube will pay me a little bit of money for what I'm doing. My plan was to come out here and have a hamburger. Got everything ready. Got the patty. I even went to the store and got some buns. And it wasn't until right now that I did bring patties. So, but fortunately, I do have other things. We're gonna go with the Dinty Moore beef stew. Okay, so tonight's IPA is Superstation West Coast style IPA. It's pretty good. It's 7% alcohol by volume. I really like the flavor of that. Would have loved to have a hamburger with it, but you know, stuff happens. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. 50 More is one of those stews. It does the job. It's not awesome, but for what you're getting, it's good. It's not loud. But we're gonna see. It's gonna be interesting. Today's been a great day. Got my daughter a little bit more involved with the MaxCaf business. Good morning. I didn't sleep very good last night. That road right there is just noisy. Good place to stop if you're traveling, but not for a long-term kind of thing, I guess. Oh. All right, let's pack it up and get out of here. Just a touch chilly this morning. Not even uncomfortable yet. Another couple of degrees, yeah, I'd be uncomfortable, but nah, this is all right. Alright, looks like I'm packed up and ready to go. Let's head over to the camper. Like I said at the beginning,
been a while since I've done this. Mistakes were made, nothing catastrophic. My major complaint was the road noise, kind of kept me awake all night. So I need to make a plan to get out to Texas and get my storage unit stuff out here. There's some stuff in there that I really want to keep, and I don't want to let go, so we're going to make that happen here very soon, probably early next month. All right, let's get out of here. The sun's coming up.